So in this 1-minute tutorial, I'm going to explain how we create chords. So remember in our last tutorial, we talked about the C major scale. Let's build upon that. From the C major scale, how we create chords like a C major chord would be in thirds. So first we start with C, then we count up 3 from there. C, D, E, and then from E we count up 3 more again. E, F, G. So there are 3 notes for the C major chord, C, E, G. From there you can create all the chords in C major. The next note in the C major scale is D. You just go D, up 3, D, E, F. F is your next, and you go up 3 from F, F, G, A. So your chord for D minor is D, F, and A. Next would be E, count up from E, E, F, G, and then 3 from G, G, A, B. So there you have it, your 1-minute tutorial. The way we create chords is in thirds from whatever the root note is. In this case, we're starting with C. You count 3 up. C, D, E is your third, and 3 up from E, E, F, G is your next note. 3 notes in a chord, C, E, G. There you go. See you next time. Bye.